Really? You gonna peck at my leg? Huh, Red? Now you? You guys are such little greedy babies. Hey, that's my pants. Do you mind? There's Thelma. Look. Do I have to pick you up and love you and hug you and squeeze you and call you George? So what I really wanted was to get a comparison to see how Big Bird's getting. She's a big girl. Stop pecking at me, you little brat. Anyway. Oh, nice poop. She's a big, beautiful girl. Get over there next to one of your buddies so we can compare how big you are. She's still growing, too. Very chatty. Got a lot on your mind today? This is a full-grown black sex link. And there's a rainbow over there. She says, I'm not fat, I'm big boned. Those two are the exact same age, maybe a few days apart. Oh, she's had a dust bath recently. Yes, you did. You had a dust bath, didn't you? Such a pretty girl. She's a pretty girl. And that's a full-grown Novagen. And Rhode Islands, they're not small birds either, but my Brahma is still bigger. It's a big girl.